Hi everyone, so this is a quick tip on Figma on how to change an image inside a component. So if I try to select an image and hit Command C and then come to a component and select to hit Command V, you see that it pastes outside the component and doesn't overwrite the image. So to do that, what we need to do is, let me delete this real quick here, select the image you want to insert in the component, then go to the fill property and select the fill property layer here, then hit Command C, and then what you can do is select the content inside the component that you want to change, and then hit Command V, and voila, you change the image inside without detaching the component. So you can also do that more easily if you hit Command C on the fill property, and then you can click Command to make a direct selection on the component. So if I hit Command, I can select directly the image inside the card, and then hit Command V, and voila, you have the layer changed. Okay, so this works as well for other properties such as drop shadow. So let me just make a quick example for you guys here. I can create a rectangle here, and let's say that I want to make this rectangle with the same drop shadow as these cards. I can click here, go to the effects layer, effects panel, and then select the layer of the drop shadow here, hit Command C, then I can click on the rectangle, hit Command V, and voila. Now, as you can see, the drop shadow is applied, the same drop shadow as I have in my card. That's it for this video. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in another quick tip. Hope it helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.